stock here, but we do have Palantir out right now as well, Renita, if we want to go over that. It does look like they beat both on the top and bottom line here. The adjusted earnings per share came in at 5 cents a share. The market was looking at estimates at around 4 cents a share. We also have revenue that came in at $525 million versus the street's estimate of $4 million. And they do anticipate that they could turn a profit in every quarter in 2023. So that's going to be a very good turnaround story. If this can hold, if it can continue to try to, provide the streets updates on how it can potentially be profitable and how their business is going to be viable, this could be a very interesting story to say the least. There's a lot of investors that do believe in this company, and they really try to focus on trying to improve business processes. They have a little bit of exposure in the cybersecurity space as well as the deep learning space, or even the AI space, if you will. So it's got its hands in a lot of different businesses. I think the question that I'm going to be looking for is going to be the government spending. If they do see any type of slowdown or a potential slowdown when it comes to governmental contracts, because that's really been its bread and butter as far as the larger deals that have been done. And it looks like as of right now, they are expecting to see some profitability here moving forward, and hopefully they are able to have this as a turnaround story, because the stock's been very depressed, if you will, for the last year and a half.
It has been very depressed, Kevin. Thank you for walking us through that. And important to note that government tie, the fact that some of its largest customers are governments. And so when it comes to AI, though, Caroline, I asked Kevin earlier about AI with Skyworks, but with this company, the CEO did mention some comments on AI saying there's an opportunity there. What are we watching?
Yes, Renita, they've talked actually quite a bit about efficiency and AI. Earlier this year, they cut about 2% of their workforce. Let's see on the earnings call if they talk about any more cost-cutting measures. But they're also announcing, or I believe it was in April that they announced their artificial intelligence platform that they're going to be rolling out, at least the first version, no later by the end of this month. So we'll have to see what they have to say on the earnings call about progress there. It's the AI intelligence platform, otherwise known as AIP. It's going to target both commercial and government customers. So it'll be interesting to see to see if they say anything about how it could impact the top or bottom line. I just think in terms of outlook for Palantir, I do want to note that their full year revenue forecast coming in line with guidance. They are forecasting 2.19 basically to $2.24 billion. The expectations for 2.2. So that could also be giving shares a pop right now. I'm seeing shares up more than about 15% right now. Also, Kevin had talked about how they had said 2023 will be their first year of profitability. They say that they're on track to remain profitable each quarter, obviously beating on EPS with the 5 cent per share. That obviously proof that they're on track, but just in terms of looking out to the rest of the year, it seems like they're going to continue to achieve that. So this is a company that looks like it's going to definitely be rewarded. If you take a look at that chart, you can see the pop higher and only actually continuing to tick higher from here. So yes, let's kind of home in on the earnings call about efficiency measures and also about that AI intelligence platform to see when that's actually going to be released, at least the first version of it.